Do you know that you can make $10 to $40 online by just taking surveys? You don't know? After this video, you will start making money from your smartphone by just doing simple tasks. The first website that you can use to make money is earnably. Earnably is a website that allows you to take surveys, watching video, downloading application, and a lot more. So what you have to do is to go to earnably, start taking surveys, watching video, downloading application, and doing a bunch of other things on earnably. Earnably is 100% free and is available in almost all country. Not all country, but it's available in almost all country. Go and try earnably out right now. The link will be in the description below. The second website is swagbucks. Swagbucks is a website that anyone can use all over the world. So how swagbucks work is that you can download applications, watching videos, shopping online, and you can do a lot of things. Even by searching on web, you can make money from swagbucks by just doing all those simple tasks. So what you have to do is to go and register on swagbucks. So to register, the link will be in the description below. So how you can receive your money in those two websites that I've just talked about, earnably and swagbucks, you can receive your money either in PayPal, Amazon, or your preferable payment method that will be available in that your country. So the third website that you can use to make money is honeygain. Honeygain is a website that allows you to share your internet connection and make money from it. So what you just have to do is to make sure you download this application, honeygain, on your smartphone. And the next thing you have to do, have your internet connection, make sure it's on 24 hours. And that is what you just have to do. And you will start making money with honeygain. And what is good about honeygain is that for just signing up, you are going to receive $5. You are going to receive $5 for just signing up on honeygain. Make sure you use my link in the description if you want. It's not compulsory. If you want. How to receive your money on honeygain, PayPal, and Bitcoin. So that is how you can receive your money on honeygain. And what is good about honeygain is that it is 100% free and you don't need any skills or experience to use it. Only what you need is just your internet connection, smartphone, download it, and you are good to go. You want to use it, the link will be in the description below. And this website is almost available in all countries. You can see if it's available in your own country. The fourth website is featurepoints. Featurepoints is an app that allows you to download the application for 2 minutes and you will get paid. Referring people, you make money. Downloading application, you make money. So there's a lot of other things you can use to make money with featurepoints. And this website is almost available in all countries. So all you just need to do is to go and sign up on featurepoint. To sign up, the link will be in the description below. And to register, they will ask for a referral. If you want to use me as a referral, you can use money70 that will pop up. This is my referral code, money70. You can use my referral code if you want, or you can use other person's referral code. It just depends on you. So the link will be in the description below. So how to receive your money on featurepoints is through PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Bitcoin, and more. And what is good about featurepoint is that you can make up to $500 with featurepoint. That is what I love about featurepoint. You can make up to $500 with featurepoint. So you need to go and take advantage of this website, featurepoint, and start using it to make good amount of money online. And you'll be wondering, is this website available worldwide? Yes, it's available worldwide. If it's not available in your own country, maybe they are working on it. Very soon it will be available in your own country. But I have seen that featurepoint is almost available in all countries. So you need to go and try it out. Let me know what you think about these apps that I've talked about in the description below. So just keep on watching and leave me a comment. The fifth website, Mcmoney. Mcmoney. I know you'll be wondering, Mcmoney, what is this website about? So this is an application that you can install on your smartphone, and only what you just have to do is to make sure that you have your internet connection and register on Mcmoney with your mobile number. And once you do this, you'll be receiving SMS and you will be getting paid. Like right now, I'm getting paid 48 cents per SMS. When I started, I was getting paid, let me say 4 cents per message. But now I'm getting paid 48 cents per message that I receive. Any message I receive, I will receive 48 cents. So, which is a lot. Every day I'm receiving a message. I'm receiving up to 2 or 3 messages. So what this company is doing, that they are partnering with other companies, trying to test their test that they are sending to their, let me say, customers to see if this message is received by their customers. So they are using our phone and through this application to test the message that they are going to send out to their clients. I know if this message might be a bug or a spam or anything like that, you can try it out. You don't just need to talk, but you need to test it out yourself and see if it's something that will be suitable to you. And to receive your money on this website, which is called Mcmoney, is through PayPal, and that is the payment method they have. So you need to make sure that your payment method have to be the same email you use to register on that your Mcmoney app. So make sure you have this. Once you have everything, the minimum amount of cashing out on Mcmoney app is $5. So if you want to know how I did this, you can watch this my video where how I made money with Mcmoney, or you can watch the proof of the money I received from Mcmoney in the description. You can watch how I made $150 online by just promoting. Watch the full video here. And if you want to take surveys online, watch the second video. I will say thank you and see you on my next video.